Red Dot LED Lighting Limited is a high-tech company specialized in research, development, manufacturing, and marketing of red light therapy. We have the Natural RD, Switch RDS series, Mini Retractable Units. Smart RD light is the natural design. Built-in timer control multi-union by a master one. RDS light is the simple to switch for red and infrared options. Mini unit is handheld and travel with it. Our unit is a unique design with higher in radius, give you better treatment results in less time. Our factory is located in Shenzhen, China, near the Shenzhen airport. We have 25,000 square meters here with 5,000 pieces mastering capacity. We inspected, testing the incoming materials strictly before the production. We have SMT machine, production line. Aging room to guarantee the quality. All of our lights will be aging tested for 48 hours before packaging and shipment. Our light is created by our outstanding R&D team, who are with more than 10 years of experience in LED light industry. We offer a one-stop customized service. Each division works closely together to ensure the quality, control the cost, and fulfill the lead time. Try Red Dot LED. We are your healthy lifestyle choice.